Ingredients: 1. 2 chicken breasts, or chicken pieces as preferred. 2. 4 cloves of garlic, minced. 3. 1 lemon, juice and zest. 4. 3 tablespoons olive oil. 5. 4 medium-sized potatoes, peeled and cut into cubes. 6. Salt and black pepper to taste. 7. 1 teaspoon dried thyme, optional. 8. 1 teaspoon paprika, optional. Instructions: 1. Marinate the chicken. In a small bowl, mix the lemon juice, minced garlic, salt, pepper, and thyme. Place the chicken pieces in the bowl and coat them with the marinade. Let it marinate for about 30 minutes, or longer for a stronger flavor. 2. Prepare the potatoes. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the cubed potatoes on a baking sheet, drizzle with olive oil, salt, black pepper, and paprika. Toss the potatoes to coat them evenly with the spices, then bake them in the oven for 25–30 minutes until golden and crispy. 3. Cook the chicken. In a skillet over medium heat, heat a little olive oil. Add the marinated chicken pieces and cook for 6–8 minutes on each side until golden brown and fully cooked. Once cooked, add the lemon zest to the chicken in the pan and mix for 1–2 minutes. 4. Serving. Serve the cooked chicken with crispy potatoes, and garnish the dish with lemon wedges or fresh herbs. Additional tips: 1. You can add roasted vegetables like carrots or broccoli to make the dish more complete. 2. If you like spicy flavors, you can add a bit of red chili flakes or hot tomato sauce. This recipe is simple, quick, and uses ingredients that are commonly available in most kitchens. You can adjust it based on the ingredients you have on hand.